Today, we're going to be posting transactions using Dispatch. Arweave, not only being a powerful storage system, actually acts as a powerful database where you can write transactions and query transactions. Today, we're going to post a transaction using Dispatch. In order to do this, you need a wallet. And in this case, we're going to be using our Connect browser extension, which injects an Arweave wallet into the console. And we'll see more about that. And then the other thing we're going to need is Arweave JS as a library. And we'll get started. So the basic components is the Arweave uh, library, Arweave.js, and Arweave wallet. So what we have here is a simple HTML to do form and just vanilla HTML. And here's our awesome to do form. And if I say hello, hit enter, we console log hello here. So what we're going to do is import Arweave JS, and we're just going to import it from esm.sh, initialize it, and if we don't supply any options, then it's going to connect to arweave.net gateway for us. So what we're going to do is grab the form event listener submit, and then we're going to go ahead and connect to the wallet. So what we want to do is make this a sync, and we're going to say await Arweave wallet connect. And we just need to pass in an array of permissions. So in this case, we want to sign transaction, added double arrays. Want to do that. And dispatch. Cool. So we've connected to the wallet. And now what we want to do is we want to create a transaction. We're going to do const tx equals await arweave dot create transaction. And we're going to give it some data. And this will be our input. It's going to be plain text. Then we want to add a tag. So with each transaction, we can add tags, which act as query qualifiers when we run a GraphQL query. So we're going to add a tag, and the name of the tag is going to be content type, and the value is going to be text plain. Cool. So we've got our transaction, and then we want to dispatch it. So we're going to do await arweave wallet dispatch RTX. And then let's go ahead and capture a result, and then just console log it. Cool. So let's see how we're doing here. Let's clear that out, and then let's create hello and add. Okay, so it's going to ask us to sign in with our Connect wallet. And a little window should pop up. You may not be able to see it, but a window has popped up, and it's given us a username and password to sign our wallet, and then it gives us the permission. So we're going to sign a transaction and dispatch an Arweave transaction. So we accepted that, and we saw some little bubbles come up, and we've got this object ID here, and it's type bundled. So what's cool about that is we can grab that and we can go to rweave.net and paste in that as a path. And if everything works, we get our text on rweave. Pretty pretty cool. So let's try another one. Let's do hello world. And since we're already connected, it's just going to dispatch, and we get another identifier. And if we go here and type rweave.net and paste in the identifier, we should get our new text. And another cool thing is if we go rweave.net/raw in the identifier, we actually, I thought we would get the tags. But anyway, that ID connects to, um, I'm sorry, let me back up. The tag that we added, content type, tells rweave.net that this is a plain text file and renders accordingly. So with that, we will end the screen recording, and hopefully you have a better understanding of how to use dispatch in the Permaweb. Thanks.